you for, I don't know how much I sell this to you. Alright, and now a ball, basketball ball, I got from the mall. Where is it? Basketball ball. Alright, there is the basketball ball. Just wait for a minute. Where is it? The basketball ball. Like, just dribble like this. Oh. And I can just dribble it. Right? You know it? I can send it to you if you want. Right? This is the end of the video. Please subscribe. Thanks for watching.